In a major breakthrough, Churaibari police have arrested 2 individuals and seized illegal drugs valued at approximately 2.5 crore from a vehicle bearing MZ01AA4524 registration number. The arrest took place at the Churaibari checkpost as the vehicle was attempting to enter Tripura. The 2 suspects have been identified as Raju Uddin from Ratabari and Dilwar Hossain from Patharkandi. According to watch post in charge Pranab Mili, the police acted on a tip-off and intercepted the vehicle with registration number MZ01AA4524 on Monday afternoon. Upon searching the car, officers discovered a large quantity of illicit drugs. The police have registered a case against the 2 individuals under the NDPS Act and have initiated an investigation. The suspects are scheduled to be presented before the District Chief Judicial Magistrate Court on Tuesday.
गाड़ी टाइगर लोग हमारे यहाँ से आलीपुर की हमें आलीपुर से मिल जाए क्या ছিল গাড়ি কি আবার দেখুন যদি কোন দিয়ে যায় কোন দিয়ে নবীন চলে যাওয়ার কথা আছে সেটা চলে ইদানিং যে খারাপ দিবা সুনামুরা একজন লোক আছে এরকম কতদিন করতে হবে আমি আজকে 3 দিন হয়েছে আজকে লাগে এটা কত রকম মাল मालटा आईसी कोण जाते सर आम्ही मिझोराम ते यायचे सर शिवर कोण जाते यायचे
Police believe the drugs were sourced from Mizoram and were being smuggled into Tripura. The successful operation has been praised by the local community. Bureau report, Chini, Khorang.